Hi, Suge. Hi, it's me again. I hope you're doing good. I hope you woke up today and said, bam, put your face on, okay? Okay, it's one of them days, Suge. Let me just get right to the point, because the point is today, we eat too much, Suge. We eat too much. I mean, maybe a nibble's great here and there, but like two of anything could kill you, Suge. I'm going to put my coffee down because, it was one of them nights, okay? We just eat too much, If one's good, well, two's going to be better. No, Suge. No. The only thing really in twos, well, I mean, I could spend all day figuring out in twos, but let's just be specific, like fiber bars. Suge, I need help with my fiber. Who doesn't these days, right? Right. So, I had a fiber bar yesterday. It was about 11 in the morning, running around, ate my fiber bar, thinking, all right, we're good to go. Nope, that didn't cut it, Suge. By about 1 o'clock, I could have, massacred a cow and just went nuts. But I didn't, so I was busy, so I thought, well, let's have one more fiber bar. What's one more? I will not have problems today with my fiber. Yeah, Suge, until I read on the side of the box. On the side of the box, it said something about may or may not cause gastrointestinal discomfort. Suge, the discomfort word should have been replaced with, it will kill you, Suge. You blow up. Let me go through it. You blow up. And like that, it's like a thunderbolt, Suge. You're like, brace yourself. I've never had so much gas. I'm sorry, TMI. So pay attention in fiber bars, Suge. I feel like a hot air balloon. I'm surprised that this morning I didn't wake up like over in Japan or something. You Japanese folks, you would have had a big surprise, Oh, freeway. It would have been bad. Anyway, Suge, I just don't eat two of them. No. Anyways, lastly, I was behind a student driver the other day, right? Big old white van, and it said on the side, student driver. If it didn't say it on the side, it surely said it on the back. So I'm watching it, car length behind, seatbelt on, hands on, doing my civic duty and using my turn signals. And anyways, all of a sudden, out of nowhere, it was like Knight Rider or something. Put your hand up, the thing flipped a Yui right in the middle of the intersection. 1, that was illegal. 2, that was illegal. Holy moly, so I followed him. I wanted to know what all the hoopla was while we were, going around, flipping a Yui, not finding the way the wind is going. Followed him. Sure, he put on his right blinker, but he turned left. I said, I'm out. I ain't got time for this mess. I need to get a dash cam, like I said. You wouldn't believe me. I need to just put this stuff out there. Anyway, so I hope you have a good day. Two anything, no good, except if it was like 2 people massaging you or something. But not fiber bars, Suge, no. And if that's the case, if you're that hungry, go eat a salad, Suge. Go eat a salad. Be a rabbit for a minute. That fiber kill you. Anyways, have you a good day, Suge. And hey, hug somebody, okay? All right. Bye-bye, Suge.